First, let's go to Rachel in Midland and the trial of those Trinity administrators. Rachel, this trial came to an abrupt ending today.
Yeah, Crystal, a lot of energy at the courthouse today as the state came in and said that all of the cases were dismissed today. Here's a look at the video of the four coming out of the courtroom on the 10th floor of the courthouse. Cheering, hugging, and crying took place. The four relieved and excited that they get to go back to doing what they love, teaching. They said they had a great group of people backing them up.
Just may I thank the Trinity community for standing behind us the whole time, for making sure that we knew that they believed in us, that they trusted us, and that we had everything we needed, and that our lawyers had everything we needed so that we could return to our calling of serving the families of Trinity School of Midland.
And I would just echo that and know that Adrienne and Todd share that exact same feeling and thought. And we're just so grateful. We are here today because of these four and our Trinity community.
Amen.
We wouldn't be here without.
This all happening after the main detective on the case testified yesterday, causing this dismissal. Crystal, we received those dismissal documents, and what exactly do we know so far?
Rachel, the dismissal of the charges against the administrators is just the beginning of many questions that are still unanswered about what led to the dismissal of the case today. Detective Jennie Alonzo made the original arrest and testified she was directed by District Attorney Laura Nodoff to get arrest warrants for the Trinity administrators. She says those instructions came during a meeting with Nodoff, an assistant, and another officer. That testimony directly contradicts the DA's claims. Documents from that states a motion to dismiss obtained by News West 9 show Nodoff claims Detective Alonzo gave false testimony while on the stand. Nodoff says she never directed Alonzo to seek arrest warrants or to do anything that wasn't justified by law. Court documents also say the DA's office continues to believe there is ample and credible evidence showing the guilt of the defendants, and the decision not to go forward is in no way a reflection of the credibility of the child whose unreported abuse was the subject of the charges. We should also mention we contacted the Midland Police Department spokesperson about the future of Detective Alonzo's job with the department, but we have not heard back. We also reached out to the mother of the student who made these sexual assault claims, and her attorney told us the family would release a statement by this Friday. Well, just a few hours ago, we heard from the president of the Trinity Board of Trustees, President Michael McWilliams, in a statement. He says, quote, "From the beginning, we have expressed concern about arrests being made and indictments handed down, giving the lack of prior investigation by the arresting officer and the district attorney's office." He goes on to say that they're working on bringing these administrators back to campus. You can read the president's full statement on our website, newswest9.com.